All right, so now we're going to be practicing graphing and writing equations for horizontal and vertical lines. And remember, we're going to use our mnemonic HOI or VUX. So we are going to start with example number 1. Now keep in mind, remember on the previous page we talked about H stands for horizontal line, O, slope is 0, and Y is a constant number, so it's just going to be y equals a number. So let's look at this first one right here. So I know this is horizontal, so letter A is the line horizontal or vertical, so this is horizontal. So that means it would match HOI. So we want to remember what HOI stands for. So what is the slope of the line? That is the O, so slope is 0. Now you can just write 0 or you can write m equals 0. And then we need to write our equation. Now remember, with HOI, it should be y equals and then a constant number. And this is the number where your graph goes through the y-axis. So that's at 1, 2, 3. So I would write y equals 3. So you are now finished with example number 1. For example number 2, we know this is a vertical line, and that would mean that it follows the VUX, I guess, acronym or mnemonic that we were talking about in the previous video. Now remember, the V stands for vertical, U stands for undefined, so no slope, so m equals undefined, and we, now because there's an x here, that's how you write x equals, and then it's just a number, and it's the number where the line is passing through the x-axis. So x equals 2. All right, I'd like for you to pause the video real quick and try example 3 and 4 on your own, and then replay it when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, so the answers for question or example 3 and 4. Number 3, we know that is vertical, so it's going to follow the VUX acronym. And slope with the U is undefined, and then I have to use the x. X equals, now over here we have -1, -2, -3, -4. So that is the equation for this vertical line. For example number 4, this is a horizontal line, and so I'm going to write HOI. So H stands for horizontal, slope is the 0, and then y equals, this is at -1. So you've just done 4 examples of HOI and VUX using horizontal and vertical lines.